I'm depending on my nigga DJ to take a nigga home. Real safe.
Shit ain't gonna be safe, but we gonna get home.
Before you say that shit, you won't remember at one point she was gone. Now we got money to buy our cars, at one point they was stolen. Now I'm on niggas who ball for life, I'm just off what I showed them. Gotta have a trigger finger no more, bro, you just gotta lift my heart up on the stage, nigga. I done lost my fucking voice if you ain't got no back.
Need to break?
Nah. Nah, too much.
Shit, this is a little POV drop to me. Me taking my homeboy home. Shit, you know my nigga behind the camera. Go ahead, say what up, Capone.
On the guys, it's me, Capone. Nigga, drive the car, nigga. Bro, we just did this long ass shit, bro. Nigga ready to go home. I'm depending on my nigga DJ to take a nigga home. Real safe.
Shit ain't gonna be safe, but we gonna get home.
What do you mean by that?
Say that. Okay. That's how you coming, big bro. Got it all vibey in here with the lights. You must got fine shit getting in.
Yeah!
Oh yeah.
It's just muffling the leaks in.
Oh yeah.
Wait till we get the damn tune on the bit.
The muffler delete sound too good on this motherfucker, bro.
So I just cut the bit off. I don't care at all.
Okay. I ain't gonna about the windows there, foggy. Get a little defrost going in there, mother. Put it on the hot setting so it do it quicker. Oh my gosh. There you go. You gonna hit a little slide for the camera?
No!
I had that downshift. Nigga, we did that. He did all the work, but we did that, nigga. Nigga, just wait till we in that motherfucking scrape. That bitch gonna be so nasty. That bitch, nigga, we gonna be in that motherfucking get back. Get your ass back. Nigga move. Nigga move. Get it. Fuck.
It's like, they call you put the lights in there, bitch. Put the stars in there, bitch. Get the bean on motherfucking me cheap now.
Oh yeah.
Had the bitch looking at stars like motherfucking me cheap.
Nigga, this bitch sounds so good. This bitch just made me stutter, nigga. I was just over here sounding like Courage the Cowardly Dog. I don't know, you gotta make sure 12 ain't around.
Make sure 12 not right.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Flex on the fuck nigga, man. Bro, who that nigga think he is?
But that's that blue nigga from that nigga that couldn't drive. Man, forget that pulling nigga. That be mandatory. Watch this. That bitch snatching for real, for real. There you go. Like that. That bitch ain't gonna wave, but. I'm being high real. Nigga, nigga, think shit. everybody get down and say shoot. Just me coming down. Niggas ain't going nowhere. Big ass nowhere start slapping it.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
What you talking about, man? Oh, yeah, I ain't get that part. Yeah, I just gonna get the sounds. Can't get the directions of the crib. Get your gun down. Damn, they had just trying to go, ain't it? Well, they ain't gonna be. This the best angle, bitch. I got the whole street.
You gotta get one of these. I can't hit it no more on that first gear. See?
Okay.
I got y'all with the 20. I got it.
Hey. I say that. Nigga. You got another downshift in you?
Yeah.